Steps to resolve Gmail attachment failed error. Common causes behind Gmail attachment failed error. Heavy attachments files. Server failure. Cannot connect to the internet. PST registry files issues. Virus attacks. Steps to resolve Gmail attachment failed error. Step 1. Run Window File Checker. When you face any kind of issue while using Gmail, always run the Windows File Checker. Open the command window, paste Scan Now and then enter. It will take some time to complete. Once the procedure gets finished, restart your system, and then try to send the files. Step 2. Repair the PST files. Another great method to fix Gmail attachment failed errors is repairing the PST file. There are several tools available to fix the PST file. You can easily find the scan tool PST at local disk C. All you need is to run the tool, and once the scanning process gets finished, restart your system and then access Gmail. Step 3. Delete cookies and cache. To prevent your Gmail from the unexpected errors, you need to delete the cookies and cache. Open the web browser, then Gmail. Now go to the Tools options and then HUD option. After that, clear the cookies and cache of the Gmail. For more information related to Gmail query, contact with Gmail support 1-888-726-3195. Email customer service team hopes that you are able to resolve Gmail attachment failed error with the help of these steps. For more information related to your email, contact us. Email customer service number and feel free.
Get in touch with us. Company name. Hotmail help desk number. Address. 568 54th Street, West New York, New Jersey 07093, USA. Website, www.hotmailhelpdesnumber.com. Toll-free number, 1-888-726-3195.